Hi friends, welcome to Oracle Programming channel. In the third lesson of Oracle for Beginners, I told you about one-to-many or master-detail relationship. If you missed it, then please check the link in the description. Today I am going to tell you about one-to-one relationship in the relational database. I have a table called Tourist Place, where the country names and their respective tourist places are listed. Now I want to know the capital of those countries to plan my travel. So I create another table called Country Capital where I make two columns, country and capital. For each country of the tourist place table, I have one row in the country capital table where the capital names of the respective countries are listed. The relation between these two tables is made by a common column called country. This kind of relationship, where for a record of one table, there is a corresponding record in another table, is called one-to-one relationship. So I have a table called tourist place that has following columns, and I have another table, country capital, that has following columns. In a diagram, it will be depicted like this. Instead of an arrow, you can use a straight line also. But for a reader, it will be difficult to figure out which table came first. It is possible that one or more than one record of one table may or may not have one or any corresponding record in the other table. As long as there can be a row in both tables for the same record of each table, it should be regarded as one-to-one relationship. That's all for this lesson. Please leave your comments in the comment section. Your comments are really valuable to me. I hope you like this video. If you did, then please like, share and subscribe. And please don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications of all my future tutorials. Thanks a lot for watching.